Hi, this is David at Stoneyard.com. Outdoor lighting, whether it's a mailbox or a flag. We've got front doors, garage doors. You'll notice walkways. We've lit up a tree over here. In this little side garden, we've got just a couple of lights, and there'll be some bushes and trees behind that. Then of course, we didn't light this side, but we have a little bit of stonework here. Just, so, you see what I'm saying? How the light just kind of lights up the walkway a little bit. And then as we move over to the garage area, we have plenty of lighting to navigate ourselves back into the doorway, down this beautiful granite walkway, nice granite steps, and a wrought iron railing. But notice it's very lit, so you've got company coming over, they can see their way. And then notice this garden area is lit up, this tree is lit, and for the grand finale, we have lit up this beautiful stone chimney with a nice granite cap. So outdoor lighting, it's a must. This is David at Stoneyard.com.